we're gonna start out with some cardboard down to protect the face, your wheel. Don't wanna get that all messed up. You're gonna see which way you want your wheel to go, way you want your tire to go. In this case, it doesn't matter. You're gonna take the tire, spray it down both sides, just some regular glass cleaner. Also gonna hit the wheel. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in at an angle and kind of twist. Okay, so now we popped on the first bead, pull the tire back out. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip it over and then we're gonna press down to get under the lip. So another quick tip, whenever you're putting that second side on, you have to have the bead of the tire down below this mark. So you have the bigger part and then it kind of curves down. You have to have the bead around there. That way it'll actually slip on. I'm gonna use this valve core tool, take the valve core out. And now what I have here is a setup that is just a quick connect with a ball valve. And then here I have a screw-on air chuck. I'm gonna screw this on. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna hook our valve into here. And then what this is gonna do is allow us to blast air in to get this bead to seat. And this also allows you to be quite a ways away. So now that I have it set, I'm just gonna put something in front of it to keep it from rolling. And you're gonna hear the beads pop. Then as soon as it's set, you can just release the pressure. Now that tire is good to go. You're gonna replace the valve core, then just fill it up to the desired PSI. Running about 15 in here. That's pretty much it.